What's up, everybody? RC Explosion Box Volume 40 this month. I didn't make a video last month. I did. One thing I got out of it, I pulled this. It was out of the 2019 Bowman. It's a Jared Kalanick purple paper sticker auto. Pretty cool though, numbered to a 250. So I'll just keep that up there. And this is the lineup we have this month. Take a look at that. Decent. So I can go with, normally I rearrange some of these. All right, let's do this. Not put too much onto it. Start with the jumbo here. This is going to be the 2020 update jumbo. Rosarina, Bichette, Robert. Go through these pretty quick. Maven, there we go. Randy Rosarina, rookie. Alrighty. Sandy Leon, Ian Miller, Ryan Weber, Castro, Kevin Plawecki, Ty France. Got a dog crying upstairs. Two Miguel Cabreras. Derek Jeter, Ichiro, Lindor, Ken Griffey. A cool card. Cesar Hernandez, Verlander, Clayton Kershaw. A lot of landscape cards here. What the heck? Is this normal for the set? What the? All right. Did I, what the heck? Am I losing my mind? Seems like all the cards that would normally be in the middle of this pack. I'll have to go back through. Unless I flipped this pack around, didn't even realize it. Listening to my dog upstairs. Alrighty. Either way, get my head on straight here. Hey, what do we got here? Nice. It's pretty cool. Kyle Schwarber, red. That's freaking sweet. 14 of 25. Nice. So I got the one auto out of the jumbo box here. It's pretty cool. I don't have anything of his. Got a foil of Tim LaCastro. Nolan Ryan insert. And Forrest Whitley prospects. I actually think these prospect cards are kind of cool. I don't think they took off, but either way. What do we got next here? 2020, 2022 Heritage. So we're looking for Wander Franco. Alonzo, Pavin Smith, Lars Nootbaar, Miguel Sano, Joey Votto, New Age Performers, Acuna. All right, hopefully someone can pull a sweet Franco out of that. So we got 14 draft. We got Devers, Jimenez, Turner, Bryant, Chapman, Schwarber. If I can open this. Luis Severino, Michael Geddes, Kyle Zimmer, Josh Bell. It's kind of cool. I don't know, what was his rookie year? Or is this a prospect card from him? Drafted 2011. Kind of cool. Mitch Keller, Nick Gordon, and Michael Conforto. All right, was this the 15? Yeah. 15 draft, Kyle Tucker, Riley, Bueller. If I can freaking open this. Lindsay, these are the ones that are hard to read. Watson, what is this? Ash Russell and Kyle Zimmer. Hunter Renfroe, Trey Supak, and where that guy is. Do the minor league. Wander Franco, Julio Rodriguez, Robert Lennox. Be cool to pull an auto out of this. Arias, Sean Murphy, Dane Dunning, Anthony Siegler, Alex Fado, Pilkington, Abraham Toro, and Jose Suarez. So I got a whiff on that. 18 Bowman Retail, Otani, Robert, Perez, and a bunch of other guys. Brandon Crawford, Buxton, Bellinger, Nolan Arenado, Yu Cheng Cheng. Kind of a cool Acuna prospect card. Domingo Acevedo, Greg Diekman, Matt Face, and Blake Rutherford. All right, last pack here. 18 update retail. Everyone knows what we're looking for in this. Keep our fingers crossed. Not terrible. Ozzie Albies All-Star Game rookie. Aledmus Diaz, Lou Trevino, Stephen Piscotty, Daniel Mengden, George Springer, Matt Adams. So none of the big guys out of this. All right, so what do we got here? We have the prospect card here of Acuna. It's kind of cool. I guess technically it's a prospect card. Albies All-Star Rookie. Got the Rosarina and the Kyle Schwarber autograph. So pretty decent month. And wish everyone else luck this month. Hopefully there's some sweet pulls. Good luck everyone. Take care.